Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create basic movements for any objects by using CapCut keyframes. So here I have this object that I want to make it move. You can see the object is direct like this. So I'm going to just add two keyframes, one at the start, one at the end, and here at the end or at the second keyframe I'm going to rotate this object to make it spinning, like it has a spinning movement. So I'm going to click on rotate like this. Okay, let's see if it uh moves. Okay, just play. So as you guys can see, the objects is now move like this. That's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.